Hi guys, welcome back. Adriana's here. Guys, super early morning today for us. We're starting our classes. It's 7 a.m. It's Tuesday. It feels so weird to talk to the camera again after coming back from Thailand. That's gonna be the first vlog I'm gonna upload. Pre-workout was done in the morning as always. I'm getting addicted to it and it's not good. I don't drink coffee, so I really don't know where should I seek for energy in the morning. My work will be done for today at 10:30. How amazing is that? My bestie Natalia, she's gonna attend my last class and then we're gonna go and celebrate her birthday. She just turned 30. I have a gift for her right here. It's gonna happen to me as well by the end of this year. I'm gonna turn 30. I'm 29 now, but hold your horses right now. Guys, I'm still 29, okay? Let's live day by day. Let's not speed up the process. I still have like 20 minutes to start my classes, so I'm gonna go inside and practice a little bit. I had a month of break, like a month of break, guys, from teaching, from doing Pilates, okay? And it felt so weird delivering the first class because obviously you talk. If you have like 4 or 5 classes in a row, you talk for 5 hours. So that's super different from what I had on my vacation because I only had my boyfriend. So either I was talking to him or to no one. I felt weird delivering the first class. It came back like that. Right now I'm excited to delivering the classes. I don't know, I have that weird, different, better energy. I think when I deliver my classes, I feel more satisfied. So I don't know, I think that break was needed. We're fully back, guys. Let's go. Okay, we just finished. Now we're ready to celebrate. I don't even have clothes to change. I'm gonna be like that. Now we're going for breakfast / lunch with Natalia, and I just kept the same set on. I just put a shirt on top of it to look just a little bit more presentable. Sun is on, not to look at that sweaty face. The rest of the day is a day off, so yeah, let's go. Avocado toast, and she has the mushroom one. We're back home. Maybe in the evening we'll go for a walk. Let's see. I don't want to force my knee anymore. I got that runner's knee, so my knee is swollen whenever I start running. Even though it's 5 kilometers, 6 kilometers, 2 kilometers, doesn't really matter. Whenever I force it too much, just hurt. I feel pain. It's like twice big as it is normally, so I feel like I need to buy something to protect it. Knee brace or something like that. Most probably I'm gonna edit some videos as well. I still have some to edit from Thailand. I kind of feel like I'm so busy with everything else. I don't have time to actually find a time to catch up with all of the videos and whatever was left behind when I left for Thailand. It's only 2 p.m. so I'm gonna take a shower right now, refresh myself, and straight away we're gonna sit down and get to work. We're going for a walk. I got myself an iced matcha, and it's from Barnyard. Matcha has something very spot. People are boxing right there. It's a nice place to actually record the videos for Mud Pilates. People are working out right here. Someone is chilling right there on a hammock. That's just, yeah. And we have cats everywhere. I don't have food. Oh, he's stuck with us right now. We're gonna make some bagels right now. That's the final product. We have avocado, scrambled eggs, cherry tomato, and asparagus. For the last few hours, I've been working right there in my corner. I've been planning my classes right now. I've been planning my whole day, my whole life basically, catching up with stuff that I didn't do yesterday because I was pretty tired. That's a knee brace. That's the one. Let's see if it's gonna fit. For now, as you can see, I've been using this white band-aid. It doesn't do much. I really need to protect it, especially when I have and provide the classes every single day. Let's see if it's comfortable. So that's gonna be a walking test right now. Do I feel anything? I don't think so. I'll have to, I don't know. I think I need to test it on the treadmill. But for now, it's pretty good. I think it's a little bit better than the band-aid. I think I need to make it a little bit tighter. It's a little bit later and it's almost 6 p.m. It's time to go to work. I'm starting my classes at 6:30. I'm gonna have only free today. To be honest, I don't really like to go that late to work, but I love to deliver those Wednesday evening classes. I love my clients. I boiled some water and I believe I'm gonna go with the iced matcha. We're wearing black today because, you know, it's that time of the month that you don't really feel like yourself. You feel bloated and, you know, you don't really want to show that much of your body. So we're wearing a loose top right now and some black leggings. I did a lot, to be honest. I really catch up with work that was supposed to be done days ago. I hope most of my day is gonna look like that. Can I use your mug? Under control. Is this enough? Agave syrup. A little bit more. Zinc sugar. I'm gonna do exactly the same thing. We're gonna still mix it, shaking it. I'll try to be more careful with opening it. It's secure. Ready. And by the way, this mug, it's from Starbucks and I got it for Matt for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna grab my matcha. I'll make sure that it's closed and we gotta go. I just got to work and I still have like 15 minutes to practice with those springs. Obviously I practice all of those exercises I always do before I provide any of the class. So I practice home. As you know already, I have my own machine, but I have a little bit different one than this one. So the springs are a little bit heavier here. So I always have to double check the springs are not gonna be too heavy. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do right now. And I'm gonna warm up a little bit. So let's start. We just finished the classes. And most probably gonna eat something super quick. It's 9:45. Take a shower and straight away go to sleep. because tomorrow early morning 6:30 a.m. we wake up again. We want to keep those early mornings, so in order to that we need to go early to sleep.
Did she find her dad? And what happened with that cowboy? Is he still alive? He's the bad guy.
We are going to work right now. It's currently 3:40 p.m. I'm gonna have only 2 classes. Afterwards, I'm gonna see Vicky. Vicky's my friend. She's my ex-flatmate from the times when we used to be cabin crew. I mean, she's still cabin crew, but when we used to live together, I haven't seen her for ages, and a lot has been going on in her life, my life, so we have a lot to catch up. Let's go to work. Okay guys, I told you I love these shorts, so I got myself the same one in beige, the top that I have right now on myself, and then I found out that they have also the brown one, so I feel like I'm gonna get the brown one, but I just need to try it on to see if it's gonna go well with my skin tone. So yeah, this is what we have for the collection. I'm obsessed right now about those shorts, so I think they're gonna come back with me tomorrow. Got myself kombucha and she got herself something healthy. Okay, let's go. We're going for a walk, right? And yeah, currently we're on Kite Beach. Right already. That's my outfit. I was rushing to get out of the house. I did my workout in the morning. Then when I finished, the maid came, so you know I have to move. I didn't have to, but you know it was polite to move, and someone stopped the elevator. Now I'm with Annetta. Annetta had birthday as well. We came here for a matcha coffee. Look at that weather. It's super hot outside. Even though like we're gonna go for a walk, we wanna move a little bit. It's almost 30 degrees outside. We get some iced matcha with some coconut milk, and we have agave syrup on the side. Okay. Meeting with Annetta. Oh my god, we could talk and talk forever, but I had to leave. I'm starting my work in less than an hour. It's 4:40 p.m. and I'm leaving. Finally, we're having the weekend. Not really, because I still work on Sunday. Oh, that was pretty busy day. I'm telling you, I did a workout in the morning. I woke up around like, well, pretty late today, 7 a.m. Did a workout on the mat. Then Annetta texted me. She said, if you want to meet for breakfast or matcha, whatever, let's go. So we met because yeah, she's leaving for her vacation tomorrow, so I had to catch her before. She also had birthday lately, so obviously we had to celebrate a little bit. Oh my god, we talked for so long. Always meeting her is like so inspirational. I'm like, yeah, super blown away. It's really good to have those friends, you know, not only to gossip, you know, or talk about, you know, bullshit, but actually to motivate each other. And Annette is one of those friends that I really appreciate in my life. We're gonna go, we're gonna eat something. I didn't even eat breakfast. I grabbed some nuts and banana. That was it. I'm super hungry. A lot of things going on right now that you don't see. Let's not talk about it. Like, why do we talk instead of doing it? Okay, let's go home. Got myself a falafel salad. I don't know why did they send me this bread. I didn't order any soup, and some french fries, so we can snack on it. And then what? Choosing some movie or series? Let's do the series. It's Friday evening. We don't feel like going anywhere. We're tired. And yeah, if you're wondering, one salad, french fries, less than 70 dirhams. It was like still some discount here, 20%. So pretty good deal. It's Saturday morning already, and I just finished my mat Pilates workout with Move with Nicole. Today's one was with the weights. Mine are 3 kgs each, a little bit heavy for this workout. I believe like she's using 1 or 2 kgs here. I was struggling a little bit, but we still did it. The only moment in which you can reach really good is the present moment. That's right. We got back from the pool, we get ready, and now we're gonna go for breakfast / lunch. We're going to Barnyard. It's just few minutes away from here, from our place. It's my favorite one. We went there with Aneta yesterday to grab matcha. That's the most important part. They have matcha. We have a lot of work to do. I have lots of video to edit. Most important ones are the one from Thailand because I really want to catch up. There is still one more vlog to upload. There are a few more reels to go. I need to record a voiceover as well as edit those videos and upload them, obviously, because I really need to focus on it right now, as well as my classes, Pilates class. I need to schedule it, I need to plan it, especially for tomorrow. I'm gonna have 6 classes. Happy Sunday to everyone. Stuff that I'm wearing, these sunnies I got from Shein actually. I believe that was like 10, maximum 15 dirham. Dress is from Thailand. I got it in 4 different colors. And you can tie it. There's like so many straps right here, right here. You can put it on your neck. Yeah, I have this I have this little small hair clip as well. I got it in Thailand. I believe you can get it on the Shein as well. Yeah, kind of Thailand vibe we have right now. But anyway, it's time to go, time to work, time to eat something. That's the reason we come to Barnyard. Look at the size of this salad. Matcha is a must. It's something for dessert. It's a fig fiesta. It has some figs, some goat cheese and honey. Matt got for himself some appetizer because he already ate at home. To leave because I was super cold, even though it was pretty nice. Food was amazing as always, but I was literally getting a goosebump. All of this is under the water when there was a big flood in Dubai. Luckily we skipped that day. We were in Thailand, but yeah, it's evening right now. We went for a walk as always in our lovely beautiful park. Also, we're in Spini's right now in non-Muslim section, so it's behind the sliding doors like that, and it's a lot of pain. We are doing a taste check. Longan, that's the name of that fruit. It's from Thailand. And seriously, I was editing the video today from Thailand, the second vlog. And this is where we were feeding the monkeys with those fruits. So I'm trying to open it. See, it is pretty big. Longan, this is how we call that fruit. I would never remember, obviously, but it looks like that. It's super small. And it tastes like lychee, I think. We just got back from Spini's and we're gonna cook some dinner right now. I'm not gonna record anything from tomorrow because I'm gonna work. I'm going to work for like 5 hours. And in the morning, most probably I'm gonna chill or prepare for classes. Probably I'm gonna finish this vlog right here. So guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please give it a thumbs up, leave the comment below and subscribe my channel. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye.